Integrated marketing. Communications. In advertising and promotion. Chapter 4. Building brand equity. Brand is a name, term, sign, symbol, or design. Identifies and differentiates goods and services of one seller or group of sellers from those of the competition. Communicates a particular set of values. Brand equity can be considered either from the perspective of the organization that owns it or from the vantage point of the customer. Is valuable when consumers believe the brand can deliver on its promises. A firm-based perspective on brand equity. There are 4 effects of brand equity increase. 1. Higher market share. 2. Increase brand loyalty. 3. Premium pricing. 4. Revenue premium. Figure 2.1. A customer-based brand equity framework. Forms of brand knowledge. There are 3 forms of brand knowledge. 1. Brand awareness. Whether a brand name comes to mind when consumers think about a particular product category. The ease with which the name is evoked. 2. Brand image. The types of associations that come to the consumer's mind when contemplating a particular brand. 3. Top-of-mind awareness, TOMA. Occurs when a brand is the first brand that consumers recall when thinking about brands in a particular product category. Figure 2.2. The brand awareness pyramid. Brand associations. There are 3 brand image associations that build brand equity. 1. Positive attribute. 2. Perceived benefits. 3. Favorable attitude. Dimensions of brand personalities. There are 5 dimensions of brand personalities. 1. Sincerity. 2. Competence. 3. Ruggedness. 4. Sophistication. 5. Excitement. Ways of enhancing brand equity. There are 3 ways of enhancing brand equity. 1. Speak for itself. 2. Message-driven. 3. Leveraging. Figure 2.3. Leveraging brand meaning from various sources. Types of branding for leveraging. There are 2 types of branding for leveraging. 1. Co-branding. A partnership between 2 brands. 2. Ingredient branding. Inclusion of one brand within the other. What benefits result from enhancing brand equity? 1. Increased consumer loyalty. 2. Long-term growth and profitability for the brand. 3. Maintain brand differentiation from competitive offerings. 4. Insulate brand from price competition. Measuring world-class brands. 3 ways evaluating world-class brands. 1. Quality. 2. Salience. 3. Equity, characteristics of a world-class brand. Delivers benefits consumers want. Stays relevant. Price equals value. Good positioning. Consistency. Fits into brand portfolio. Brand helps build brand equity. Brands managers understand what the brand means to consumers. Support over long run. Monitoring of the sources of brand equity. Table 2.2. Top 10 world-class brands overall. Among 1,030 total brands included in Equitrends Spring 2006 survey. Table 2.4. Interbrands Top 20 Global Brands, 2007. Affecting behavior and achieving Marcom accountability. The importance of brand awareness. Creating brand awareness and boosting brand image serve little positive effect unless individuals make purchases or engage in desired behaviors. Marcom's objective is ultimately to affect sales volume and revenue, measuring marketing investment performance. Return on marketing investment, ROMI. measures the effect of Marcom, or of its specific elements such as advertising, in terms of whether it generates a reasonable revenue return on the Marcom investment. Why measure Marcom effectiveness? Demands for greater accountability on the marketing function. To become better at Marcom activities, measuring marketing investment performance. Difficulties in measuring Marcom effectiveness. Choosing an appropriate metric. Gaining agreement on measures. Collecting accurate data for Marcom assessment. Determining effects of specific Marcom elements. Difficulties in measuring Marcom effectiveness. Choosing a metric. What to measure. Change in brand awareness. Improvement in attitudes toward the brand. Increase purchase intentions. Larger sales volume. Difficulties in measuring Marcom effectiveness. Gaining agreement. 2 difficulties in measuring Marcom effectiveness. Gaining agreement. 1. Finance department's measures of success. Discounted cash flows. Net present values of investment decisions. 2. Marketing department's measures of success. Measures of brand awareness, image, and equity. Difficulties in measuring Marcom effectiveness. Collecting accurate data and calibrating special effects. What exact sales figures should be used to calculate sales? How much relative effect does each program element have on sales volume compared to the effect of other elements?